So recording now. And yep, that looks right. Okay, so welcome, assalamu alaikum, and welcome everyone. I'm Laura Krause, and you are here to learn a little bit more about Remodel Your Ramadan free 5-day challenge that I'm offering before Ramadan, so we can get well prepared for a wonderful Ramadan, inshallah. So moving on here, our agenda today is just 1, 2, 3, 3 things. So I'll discuss what is this Remodel Your Ramadan 5-day challenge that I'm talking about and offering to the sisters I know, and hopefully also some that I don't know. I'm hoping people will share this out as well. Why you should listen to me, what the heck do I know? And then also, how will the Remodel Your Ramadan 5-day challenge work? So the details of what we're going to do. All right, so before we actually get to what it is, what this 5-day challenge is, we'll maybe discuss here, we'll back up just one step and talk about Ramadan's past for you. Have you ever experienced any of these things in Ramadan prior? And I'm guessing probably everybody has experienced something uncomfortable, such as bloating, gas, heartburn, constipation, other digestive issues, cramps, even burping, headaches, bad mood swings, weight gain, low energy, low libido, rashes, maybe muscle pains, joint pains. And of course, we expect thirst during Ramadan, but excessive thirst, that's a different issue, and it can be a problem. And I'm sure there are others that people can think of, but it can be very challenging on our bodies for sure. I think we all know that. And so what I'm offering in my free pre-Ramadan offer here, it includes all of the following health promoting information. And we're going to talk about, first and foremost, on day one, mindset, making some mindset shifts regarding Ramadan, what we eat and how we are eating, and dietary strategies, tips, information, recipes, and simple swaps that can help us have a better Ramadan. Assessment tools, I have at least, I think, 3 on schedule. So I'm excited to share those with you. And I will be making some product recommendations. As some of you may know, I do sell Shackley products. I'm an independent distributor for Shackley. And so those will pop up throughout the challenge as they fit each day's topics. So you can expect to see some product recommendations, but it's not going to be some big pushy sales pitch. It's just, this is part of what I offer, and there's no obligation to buy anything at all, of course. And I think you'll find that just the content alone that I'm offering is very valuable. So if you want to buy something, that's great. I will talk more about the products as we get to that point, but just wanted to be upfront that yes, you will see me sharing some things as far as specific products go. Also, I'm sharing a lot from my True Detox classes that I taught through community education back in Spring Lake Park and Columbia Heights, and even down at Eastside Food Co-op in Northeast Minneapolis. That was a fun class that I was offering in 2019 and 2020 before everything shut down. I had some in-person classes that I was really excited about, and sharing what I call my True Detox information with people in the community. And so as I'm starting to transition those to become online classes, I have a lot of material to share, and you'll be getting to see a lot of that for free. So also it comes with a Remodel Your Ramadan planner. So once we're done with the challenge, you'll have an actual plan in place if you choose to do it, that is. And then also I've created a group It will not be in WhatsApp. That's what I was thinking at first. I'm actually going to put it in Telegram. I'm making a shift away from Facebook products for various reasons. So the online group will be in Telegram, sisters only, community, supportive, collaborative. That's where the Q&A will happen. So I'm excited about that because what little I know about it, I've liked so far, and I hope that everyone will go ahead and join that piece of it. So getting into the nuts and bolts of, actually, well, why have this remodel your Ramadan challenge? Because I'm hoping that what I share is going to help you experience a healthier and a more joy-filled Ramadan in one or more of these ways, inshallah. Lots of ways that I think the information I'll be sharing can help you through Ramadan. I know that weight gain can be an issue for a lot of people during Ramadan. To an outsider who's not familiar with Ramadan, they might think that's quite shocking, but I think we know that it can be an issue. And so hopefully what I share can help you maintain a stable weight or even feel lighter throughout Ramadan, regardless of what the scale number says or not, just enjoying more energy, maybe feeling fewer aches and pains, experience better digestion and more regular bowel movements. And yes, we will be talking about such issues because this is a health focused challenge. Also, hopefully enjoying an overall better mood, feeling less thirsty, as hard as that might be to believe. But there are some tips for that. Improving your Ramadan sleep and rest, another one that people might not quite believe it's possible, especially in Minnesota with the longer hours. And so just trying to help you more effectively deal with those longer hours as we're still from spring moving into summer, and that means a long time of fasting in the northern climates in the northern hemisphere. So why should you bother listening to me? I mean, what do I know about health and wellness, and what do I know about Ramadan? As you might know, I've researched a wide range of natural health topics very extensively over the past 5 or so years. I am an English teacher by training, but because of my own health challenges, I started diving into trying to learn everything I could because the modern medical community wasn't really helping me with my issues. So so that's the health side of it. I also lived and worked in the United Arab Emirates. And actually, that's a typo. I can't believe I put the wrong starting year there, but it's actually 2005 to 2016. Most of those years I spent in the UAE. So I've experienced many Ramadans, both in the UAE and in Minnesota. So I understand what it's like to be in a very supportive environment and a very challenging environment when it comes to Ramadan and cultural norms and expectations and all of that. I have also been married to my Iraqi husband since 2007. So I have experienced some of the cultural expectations and you could see, what am I trying to think of? Traditions. There's the word traditions as well. With regard to Ramadan and what you're supposed to eat and when and what type of food and all of it and how much food. So I get it. It's not just Laura, the white lady, with her dietary plan that she already had in place, and it was a very a big mix, which has been a very good experience for me. And I've practiced what I preach here. What I'll be preaching, if you haven't heard some of my ideas or seen my posts and things before. Everything that I'm offering in the 5-day challenge is something I've tried. and or my husband has definitely been on a health journey with me as well. So I put these pictures at the bottom um, in sort of an order here, that these ones on the right kind of represent what I know he's traditionally been used to um, as he was growing up, and even when we were first together. And we've kind of progressed to include a lot of the things, more healthful choices as you get to the left side here. So that's why I feel I am a pretty good authority on offering a challenge with this title. So how will the Remodel Your Ramadan 5-day challenge work? Well, first of all, it's free. There's nothing to pay. All of the content's free, and it does run for 5 days. It'll start this Saturday, the 27th of March, and that will take us through to the end of the month. And that will still give you plenty of time to get yourself ready for a fantastic Ramadan, inshallah. Each day, you can expect that there will be one short video from me. I'll post that in the Telegram group and also on my YouTube channel. So either way, if for some reason you don't want to join the group, or what have you, you will be able to just access it every day's videos on YouTube, and you can also share them that way too. But I really hope that, yeah, you will join the Telegram group, because the daily activities will be posted there. I think I will be announcing them all in the videos too, but that will be one way for us to interact. If you have questions, and this isn't really just about me telling you, it's really to share recipes and information and feedback and all of this. It's a nice place to do these kinds of things. And then I'm going to be using 2 frameworks that I used in my True Detox classes. One is called the 4M Formula for Life Mastery, and you'll learn all about that along the 5-day challenge. You'll learn about all 4 M's. And then something that I call the 9 pillars. We know about the 5 pillars of Islam, but these are the 9 pillars to reclaim your health. And that R, the capital R there, is actually meant to be there, and you'll learn why in the challenge. And then, of course, as I did mention before, there will be some product recommendations I'm sharing with you, but again, no obligation whatsoever to buy anything. And then fun, I didn't mention this anywhere else till now, that there will be some prizes, and they're going to end up being free Shaklee products. So you'll get to try them out if you either complete all 5 days activities. And that doesn't mean that there are only 5 activities total. No, because some days I have more than one for you to do. And activities, I forgot to mention up here, ACT, I put it in capital letters because, activities, it's meant to be done so that you can reinforce what was in the videos or the ideas shared there, so that you can actually put them into practice and consider them more than just watching the video. So completing all of the 5 days activities and submitting them, whatever evidence I'm asking for, by the April 2nd deadline. So that gives people a couple of days in case they're not able to just keep track or keep up with the schedule, right on schedule of the 5-day challenge. There's a couple days to catch up. And if you're interested in getting a prize there. And then there will be kind of another level of prizes given for anyone who does choose to buy one or more of the recommended products. So that's really how it's going to work. And the way you can sign up if you are ready to remodel your Ramadan is it's easy as 1, 2, 3. You just need to type either in Messenger. I know Fahima, you and I are connected on Messenger, or in WhatsApp directly to me, personal message me. Just simply RYR, so that's Remodel Your Ramadan, RYR group link, please. All right, and I'll get you the Telegram link. for the Remodel Your Ramadan Telegram group, and you can get going that way. And it's very simple. It's like any other app. You just download it onto whatever device you want to use it on, and then you'll be in. And I would like people to click that link and join. Oops, that's a typo there, not the WhatsApp group. It's the Telegram group. So you go ahead and join the Telegram group by this Thursday, the 25th, because I have some early content, kind of some housekeeping items that I want to share. And my understanding in my own personal experience with Telegram is the only thing you'll see when you come into a group is what happens after you've come into the group, unless there are some pinned messages at the top. So I just want everybody to kind of be there and ready for some announcements and things by Thursday. And then I would love it if people would share this video. I'll be getting the link for the recording to everyone, so who's interested, because the more the merrier, right? And maybe you have somebody in mind who would enjoy doing this with you, with us, could benefit from it. And so that's really it. That's all I have for the information session here. I'm hoping that I'll get lots of responses, especially once I put the recorded video out. And so we can have a really great group of wonderful sisters to remodel our Ramadan. So Fahima, I don't know if you have any questions. I am going to stop recording now. And just before I do that, I want to say, in case I don't see you, whoever you are that I'm talking to on the recording, have a blessed and wonderful Ramadan, no matter what you decide to do with me or without. And may Allah guide and protect us all for all of our days, really. So I will stop recording now, and bye-bye for the recording.